In Windows 11, restore points just aren't what they used to be. You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, Windows 11 restore points expire fast. If your Windows 11 PC crashes and you're banking on a system restore point to save the day, you might be in for a surprise. Microsoft's latest updates have silently decreased the lifespan of these critical backups. Let's unpack this in plain English to keep your system safe. Think of system restore points as emergency snapshots of your PC, ready to roll back disasters like buggy updates or software meltdowns. But tech reports reveal that Windows 11 now deletes these restore points after just 60 days, down from 90 days in Windows 10. Why? Microsoft's pushing disk space efficiency in light of its AI-driven recall feature, and exclusive to Windows 11 Copilot Plus PCs, which captures screen activity for file recovery but doesn't replace restore points. Now, if you have System Restore configured to automatically generate restore points on a regular basis, then you should be fine. But people commonly create restore points before installing Windows updates that require a reboot. And the schedule for this type of update has recently been changed to quarterly, or every 90 days. So depending on your settings, it's likely that you're spending at least 30 days every quarter with no available restore points. In June 2025, a Windows 11 update caused boot loops for some users, but according to TechRadar, many found their restore points gone due to the 60-day purge. A small business in Ohio lost $10,000 in downtime after failing to revert a corrupt CRM system as their 70-day-old restore point had vanished. X posts like @sysadmin vent, Windows 11 ate my restore points, while Tech Rants snarks that Microsoft's recall won't recall my system state. A 2024 Reddit thread on Windows 11 reported restore points ballooning to 40 gigs with virtual machines, clogging drives and triggering early deletions when space runs low. The root cause? Windows 11's aggressive disk management. Restore points are capped at 7 to 10% of drive space. When space fills up, older points get axed, and automated disk cleanups hasten the purge. A 2025 Windows Central article notes May's update caused crashes, locking users with BitLocker encryption out if their restore points were gone. Microsoft's response? A slicker crash UI, not longer-lasting restore points. If you rely on Windows 11 for work or personal data, missing restore points could mean hours of recovery or lost files. At CyberStreams, we're obsessed with keeping your backup systems rock solid. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, create frequent restore points. Manually create restore points before updates or software installs via system protection settings, or let us automate it for you. Second, monitor disk space. If you run low on disk space, Windows may start deleting restore points before the 60-day purge. And third, enable cloud backups. Set up automated OneDrive backups to protect critical files beyond restore points. Our services ensure this feature is enabled. For more on safeguarding your Windows 11 systems, click the link in the comments or email me at matt@cyberstreams.com. This concludes your system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.